My name is Schmutzler. I'm the product sales engineer for Norgren's vacuum line of products. Here today at PAC Expo, we're demonstrating our NCDF series air amplifiers and NVDF series high flow vacuum generators. These high flow vacuum generators are used in applications that are not normally ideal vacuum picking applications. In this case, we're picking this simulated dog bone. It has all kinds of cracks and crevices in the pick surface. The high flow vacuum generators are able to overcome that leakage and still perform a successful pick. On the other side, we have our NVDF series, simulating a package handling application, utilizing a high flow, high vacuum level vacuum generator and a custom designed end-of-arm tooling solution with integrated spring leveling. All of these products are available both on our website and in catalog form. If you need any further information, please feel free to reach out.